This 2017 K-Z Connect Lite 231RL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used K-Z is 26 feet 11 inches in length and features Sleep 6, air conditioning, skylight, water heater, awning, TV, smoke detector, oven, leveling jacks, slide-out, external shower, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-bath, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2017 K-Z Connect Lite 231RL is 4,440 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.